what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is actually a surprise video, to be honest with you guys. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. Had no plans on attending any events or anything. I just came down here with my wife to hang out, and all of a sudden as we're driving, we see a bunch of cars passing us. I'm like, that looks like they're going somewhere. So we followed a couple people, and mind you, as we follow them, they brought us all the way up to Import Face-Off, Phoenix, Arizona. So this is pretty cool. We're gonna have some, while we're here, we're gonna do a quick video, vlog it. It was unexpected, but we see a bunch of drifting. My wife's got her drone up there somewhere. So hope you guys enjoy this quick and unexpected video. Let's go check it out. Let's go look at some of these cars. So by the looks of it, these guys down here go hard. It's pretty cool. The drifting portion, which I'm hoping my wife got some good footage of, is going on. The show's literally starting right now. And like I said, we weren't planning on coming here. We literally just like accidentally came across all this. But you know, I had to stop and check it out, so. Look at these two. Pretty cool. So let's go in here and go check this out. 182. Not bad. Not bad. There's a cool R35. Thank you. Appreciate it. There you go, some nice lines right there. 350. It's one hell of a track. It's huge. Nope. Alright, so we're walking to the car show portion. We'll go check out some of these cars. There's a beautiful S2K. Female owned. Now 32. 4-door. Looks like it's a good turnout. See if we can go check out some cars that we would, of course, normally show off on the channel. That is a cool GSX. Here's a clean R32. Looks nice. That's what we like to see. lot of nice cars, a lot of cool people. Again, like I said, this is a bonus for me actually. No, didn't plan on seeing any of this today, but the fact that we were able to is awesome. Really, really nice S2K. Nice color. This thing's boosted too. Really cool. There we go. We got a nice S14. KA, baby. KA turbo. KAT. Nice. Clean, clean. Saudi R8. Oh, this is nice, Mom. This thing is clean. This thing is really clean. Wow. Oh, they're doing dyno pulls too. Wow. Okay. Ooh. This just caught my attention. Oh man, this is nice. I wish you would pop the hood, but it's okay. Very nice. Very nice 180. Very nice. Pretty cool. As I said earlier, this was an unexpected kind of event, so I'm gonna head back. My wife's sitting there waiting as she was flying the drone, so I gotta be fair to her. Shout out to my wife, Marina. She's awesome. Always lets me pull over or do whatever I gotta do every time we see car shows or whatever. So, like I said in many of my other videos, happy wife, happy life. I do what I can for her, and vice versa. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. Let's see if we can head out this way. I'll still keep rolling here for a little while. Give you guys as much as I can here. Oh man, look at this thing. I know a lot of people in Florida that would appreciate this. Another S2K down there. Alright you guys, I hope everybody enjoyed this very quick video, quick and unexpected video. Like I said, I wanted to make sure I catch whatever I can anywhere and anytime I go places. So I'm going to be done for right now. Thank you very much for everybody's support. You guys make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, make sure you follow the page, and as always, thanks a lot. Over and out.